In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Whiteboard together with Copilot to boost your productivity and creativity. Whether you're working with a team or brainstorming on your own, this walkthrough will help you make the most of this powerful combo. Start by opening Microsoft Whiteboard either in your browser or from the desktop app. Once you're in, take a moment to get familiar with the space. You'll see a clean, open canvas and a simple toolbar designed to keep you focused on ideas, not menus. Pan around, zoom in and out, and notice how the canvas expands as you add content. This flexible layout gives you room to sketch concepts, capture thoughts, and arrange information without the constraints of a slide or document. Next, look for the Copilot icon in the toolbar. This is your built-in intelligent assistant for creating content directly on the board. In the web version, it's usually easy to spot. On the desktop app, it may sit behind a collapsed menu or shift position based on your window size, so scan the toolbar if it's not immediately visible. Click the Copilot icon, then choose how you want to interact. You can type your request or speak it, whichever feels most natural. Be clear about your goal. For example, ask Copilot to create a project plan. You can also describe the context, like studying for an exam, planning an event, or organizing a new initiative. The more specific your request, the more tailored the output will be. As Copilot works, you'll see content appear on the canvas, things like diagrams, lists, or sticky notes. This is where the time savings kick in. Instead of starting from a blank page, you're getting structured material you can react to. Look over what's generated and notice any ideas it sparks or gaps it reveals. Both can help you refine your direction. Once the content is on your board, make it your own. Drag items to rearrange the layout, resize elements, change colors, and adjust labels so the board matches your workflow. You can group related pieces, break large ideas into smaller notes, and position everything in a way that feels natural and organized. Using Microsoft Whiteboard with Copilot streamlines brainstorming in both professional and casual settings. It helps you think faster, collaborate more easily, and move from concept to clarity with less friction. And that's it. Combine Whiteboard's flexible canvas with Copilot's generative help to run more effective, productive sessions. Thanks for watching and happy whiteboarding.